I need like a normal. I want it actually a normal gyros. So this is like. Do you think this is a Greek one? Because in Finland the Greek ones we were finding they were just basically Turkish guys, which is not bad, but no. I think they are Greek. So many. Plaka. It's so amazing. Mykonos. What do you want to see? You know what? I would just us. You want? This place reminds me so much Greece. They have their Santorini, they have their Athens, they have here Mykonos. There is also a few there down. We might go later there too to eat a bit there. It's just so amazing. Greek beer. So it's my first time basically trying this. It's just gyros with kipriak, you know, pita and some corn. It's great and such a great place. I mean, everything, the food, the people till now, everything is good. I mean, the prices are not as much expensive as Finland, which they are expensive, but I don't think they're expensive from the Finland prices. Like you can just go take gyros and you actually have to pay 10 euros, man. 10 euros for a gyros, you know, it's too much. So such a great impressions for this place. I mean, it's completely worth it. I mean, I'm just like thinking, you know, I'm gonna come and immigrate here. I don't care. Yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Longer time. Yeah, well, we won't stay long. We just leave tomorrow, all right? I just got these burritos with chicken. It's just amazing. Also Mariella. No, it's so hot. So today there's a different type of buildings we are going to show you. You know, we are again in Brussels. We are going to leave around 2 in the evening, and we're just trying to find a place now so we can go and eat a bit breakfast. There's beautiful pictures we've seen, but I don't know if we can find this place. But look at these big ass buildings here. Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen such a big building in my life. Yeah. Oh, it's windy, but it's good. That's good. At least it's not like hurting so much. Oh, there is a bus stopping right there. That's so cool. That's so cool. This is like, so the side of the Grand Palace, it's the side of like the old buildings and everything basically, and here it's like the new type of buildings and shit. I think there's a taller building than this one. Yeah, we're gonna go and take it out too. We'll see. We'll take a few pictures here. My model. Oh, we can rent also those scooters. I think we should rent the scooters and just go around.
Yeah, at least you can find them.
But do we have to have application for that shit?
I don't know.
I think this might be the tallest one here in Belgium. Probably, I don't know. Maybe there's like other ones. I didn't really like search anything about the place. I just wanted to see the Grand Palace. Alright, so this is actually Starbucks. It's in the most center of the city, and those guys just have made a Starbucks right here. That's crazy. I mean, you can see how rich this company is, how rich you guys have made this company, like literally. But it's alright, Mariela is right there. I don't know what's waiting there, but never mind. This mask is killing me. So apparently...
Well, this is a shopping ground.
That's cool. So apparently in Belgium, if you don't have a mask, you're gonna have like 250 euros bill fee. I don't know how they say it. Why? I don't know. Do you have to wear it everywhere, even when you're walking, even when you are just by yourself and you just basically are going with the bike? You have to keep mask with you. I think, in my opinion, it's a bit too much, but they know what they are
It's gonna
doing.
go away, I guess, next month.
Yeah, they say it in the 1st of October this rule is gonna like stop, but I know what, it's fine. I mean, still it's too much. And they say that, oh, we're gonna take it off on the 1st of October. When now the cases are more, they're gonna make the rule that you should stop it. Even though when there wasn't many cases, they still say that you must keep the mask, but never mind.
Maybe
School.
this baby is gonna get a fee because it doesn't have a mask.
I think it's under a certain of age, for all like 6 or something.
But I think like this must be okay. But then
Well, I don't
that's
think
not
they
allowed.
would. Is this a Bershka? Oh, it's diesel. Oh, it's, yeah, maybe Bershka is better. This statue is so cool. It's like also an underground things. Oh, that's so cool. I don't know what is this supposed to be. It's beautiful. It's like an area. There's like all of those places. Thing that she
I was so
wanted.
excited.
The only thing that Mariella came here was the waffles. Nothing else. But
Okay, maybe something else. It's a very beautiful place. There
yeah,
are so many things.
I am literally amazed with these shops here. I don't think I've ever been to a country just like this. I don't know if you can see there, but this country is a hit. The hit. Big love from Albania to Brussels and from Finland. It's a cool place. How do they have these things here? But never mind. Camarilla. What one?
There's gonna be like a performer or something.
Yeah, but it just right now it's just ruining our shots, which are more important than that one. Well, that's so cool. We went in this, what's the name? It's like a virtual reality thing, you know. Guys, I really couldn't make it. It for me.
So cool.
It was so cool. He said that, oh, be careful for the heights and everything. I was like, yeah, me, I'm not scared. All right. And then I just wanted to, like, I got anesthesia. I wanted to throw up and everything. Sorry about that. And Mariella was like, woo, I want more. I just left during this thing because
Yeah,
it was like.
I was scared that can I do it because I'm afraid of heights.
No, I think it was a really cool thing. For if I don't know, maybe we should sit in the chair, not in this thing.
So many free things.
Yeah, they do. I almost broke my leg. That's beautiful. This glass and everything. So it doesn't rain here, right? Probably not. That's so cool. I saw this looking weird over there. What is this? Here now. You know what? And where you see old people, right? For example, in a cafe or something, that means that that place is good.
No, I would like you to taste the Belgian beer because I'm sure.
Oh my god, I'm sure you're sure. Right? Sure.
I'm sure?
You can try, but what's the name of that Belgian beer?
I don't know. It was like craft beer or something. Should be maybe like that. And I want to get a bit coffee.
Good coffee.
Yeah.
For second coffee today.
because the first one wasn't very good.
Oh, I'm sorry you didn't like that coffee.
It's okay.
So I'm going to try the world's best beer, as they say. All right. So it's, I mean, there are also like awards from this beer. I don't think I've ever heard about it because in Greece we have only the Amstel Mythos and blah 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 blah. But I think many countries, Germany, Finland, probably now this country, Czech Republic, they have really good beers, And you know, guys, that Czech Republic is one of the countries that they have the most drinkers, like they drink the most beer per capita in the world. Beer has arrived. It smells quite good. My sweetie just got a little bit of a little bit of glass of rosé wine because she is in what's the name, in France. So we are planning to go to UK now, alright? We also have to pass through France, and that's gonna be a bit of a problem with the border problems and everything, because they say that basically the people that come from France, they have to be quarantined, right? And we're gonna, if we have to be quarantined, that's gonna be an issue, right? But I really hope we will just stop a bit to Paris, you know? Oh,
Is it good?
that's good. I forgot what I was saying about Paris, alright? It's gonna be such a great thing if we had the chance to just be there, you know, it's just amazing. But for now, let's enjoy this beautiful view here. So we're just getting to the bus right now to London. We're gonna pass some friends. We're so excited. We're gonna we just booked some sushi with us so we can have, and I have no idea what's gonna happen. God with us. Right now we are in France, in the middle of nowhere. We had a few problems with the border. We had to be quarantined because we were in other countries. So basically we said no. And now we are here just getting some street food and some cool things right here. You know, we got so sad because we thought that we will actually, you know, like make it, but anyway, we are here in Calais now. Calais. And it seems a cool place. I mean, it's pretty empty, but there's a beach there. We might see this tomorrow. What a great adventure. What a stressful adventure. Oh my god. We'll show you what Maela will get soon. So this city seems pretty cool. I mean, yeah, it's like a small town, you know, like there's like 73,000 people living here. Oh, that's a big like, it's like a church type. It's like a Catholic church, yeah, probably. But yeah, it's a cool place. Oh my god, look at the sand here. They have another one here. Oh, that's so cool. So cool. How did they build this one? Huh? Oh, sorry, I'm having some trouble with the bag here, but look at that. It's completely out of sand, you know? Look at the detail. So amazing. Marinella. We just came in the house. This is the apartment, the hotel we're gonna be staying. And before we have to close because the memory is full, I'm gonna use my next card. I will show you the food. This is the food. We are eating French fries made from France. So cool. Thank you.